basic thing which that people try to make it sound complicated, but it's not. But inflation is caused by government overspending. Right. Would you agree that we need to take a look at government spending and have perhaps a government efficiency commission that just tries to make spending sensible and just like a person does?
The waste is incredible. Nobody negotiates prices. You used to have a lot of people making jets, and you end up with two companies, and they'll probably try and merge at some point. I mean, I went through it like Air Force, just a thing like Air Force One. One of the first documents they asked me to sign, a general walks in, sir, would you please sign this document? And what is it? Air Force One. That's with Boeing, which is basically two planes, two 747. And the price was $5.7 billion for two planes. Now, now they're highly sophisticated.
That's insane.
They're even nicer than your plane, okay? But much more sophisticated. They're very, I won't say what's on it, but they got a lot of stuff on it. Anyway, but it's 5.7.
So that's a crazy number.
It's a crazy number. But I said, I'm not going to pay 5.7. I'm not going to do it. I said, who made the deal? Obama and his people. I said, well, then I know the deal's no good. I'm not going to do it. And over a course of about 4 weeks, by my saying I'm not going to do it, I got the price reduced by $1.6 billion for the exact same plane, other than we had a nicer paint job, if you want to know the truth. And I said to Boeing,
he wants to make sure that public money, the taxpayer's dollar, is not being wasted. Isn't it amazing that he's saying that nobody negotiates the prices of anything in the U.S. government, so they're just happy to be rinsed endlessly in this large money laundering operation? And he's the only president who sat there and said that's too expensive for Air Force One or for anything ever. How can you be a functioning adult and disagree with anything he said thus far? You need a border. You need the president of the most dangerous and most formidable country on the planet to be competent. You need to check the prices of things before you agree to spend taxpayers' money. Like, what has he said that's even outlandish?
We need the wars to stop. We need to produce our own energy. We need groceries to be affordable.
We need people to stop dying. Who can be listening to this and disagree with a single word he said unless they're literally clinically insane? It's unbelievable that anybody could even listen to this and say anything other than fantastic, I agree.
Let's vote for this guy.
Anyone who disagrees with what this person says is not qualified to vote because they're not an adult.